Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Arginine powder. L-Arginine is a powerful amino acid, essential for many bodily functions, including protein building and nitric oxide production. This versatile supplement supports your cardiovascular system, boosts immune function, and can enhance your exercise performance. Using it in powder form offers great flexibility for precise dosing and ensures rapid absorption, helping you feel the benefits quickly and efficiently. When it comes to dosage, a good starting point for general health is typically 2 to 3 grams per day. If you're looking to boost your exercise performance, consider taking 5 to 9 grams approximately 30 minutes before your workout. For higher daily intakes, it's often best to divide your total dose into 2 or 3 smaller servings throughout the day. This helps maintain consistent levels in your body, maximizing its effectiveness. Mixing L-Arginine powder is straightforward. Simply combine your desired dose with 8 to 12 ounces of water, juice, or your favorite beverage. Make sure to stir it thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved. This ensures you get the full benefit of each serving. For optimal potency and absorption, it's best to consume your L-Arginine mixture immediately after you've prepared it. Enjoy! Before incorporating L-Arginine powder into your routine, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Pay attention to your body and monitor for any potential side effects, which might include mild stomach upset or a slight drop in blood pressure. Finally, ensure you store your L-Arginine powder in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture, to maintain its quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.